Okay. Instantly, first thing I notice is it smells just like Slim Fast. I don't know if y'all have drank that before, but that's what it smells like. Okay, I've got a nice heaping cup of strawberries that I'm gonna add into my personal blender. I have some frozen berries that I've just mixed together. I'm gonna take a handful of blueberries in there. And I'm gonna try to get some raspberries too. Maybe like one more. They're all stuck together. All right, about that much berries. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use my protein powder. I thought there would be some kind of scoop in here, but there's not. So let me see. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I found a scoop. It was way in the bottom of the bag. So we're gonna put that scoop in there. Okay. And it says 1 scoop of mix and 6 to 8 ounces of liquid. All right. So I've got, ooh. Okay, that's 6 ounces. All right, so I've added that milk, and I'm just gonna add a scoop of cocoa powder and blend this up and see what it tastes like. Okay, I blended it pretty fast. I got my cute cup that I got from HEB. And I'm just going to pour it in here so I can drink it all day and keep it cold. Let me taste it. That is delightful. Yes. Come on, protein. And I'm done. That is a delicious recipe, y'all. Chocolate covered berries protein shake. Enjoy.